It is presented by Susmita Hajalekar and Reena Rajkumari from the Department of Mathematical Sciences. So our concept is what is chakra, then introduction of 7 chakras, the 7 chakras symbols and symptoms and effects, then we see the relationship with human body and healing benefits and signs of opening, then some of the yoga poses for 7 chakra openings. So first let us see what is chakra. So in Sanskrit the word chakra means disc or wheel and it refers to the energy centers in the body. So they are located in the astral body along the spine, starting at its base and running upward to the crown of the head. So 7 chakra are started from the base of the spine and it is going to the crown of our head. Next. So introduction of 7 chakras. So a survey says that there are 114 chakras, but here we only study about the main 7 chakras of our body. So yogic philosophy as outlined by the Maharshi Patanjali in the 2nd century is based on the limbs of Ashtanga Yoga. So this includes yamas, niyamas, asanas, pranayamas, pratyahara and dharana, dhyana and samadhi. So let us see the 7 main chakras are Muladhara chakra or the root chakra, Swadhisthana or sacral chakra, Manipura chakra or solar plexus chakra, Anahata chakra, heart chakra, Vishuddha, throat chakra, Adana chakra, third eye chakra and Sahasrara chakra, that is the crown chakra. So this is the position of the chakras in our body. So this is the root chakra, then this is the sacral chakra, this is Manipura or solar plexus, this is our heart chakra, this is throat chakra and this is the third eye chakra and this is the crown chakra. So first we will see the root chakra. So Muladhara chakra means Mula means root, origin or essence, or Adhara means basis or foundation. So the location of Muladhara chakra is at the base of the spine. Okay. So the symbol of the Muladhara chakra is this. It consists of 4 petals and a circle and a square and a inverted triangle. And each element is said to represent the 4 aspects of human mind uniting to form birth of the human consciousness. Its color is basically red and its element is earth and its mantra is love. Then we will see the symptoms of blocked root chakra. So when a chakra is out of balance, then a person starts feeling unstable, ungrounded, lack of ambition, lack of purpose, etc., etc. So when a root chakra is in a balanced position, so the above mentioned symptoms are replaced by positive emotions, and you feel stable, confident, energetic, etc. Then we will see the Swadhisthana chakra or sacral chakra. So the sacral chakra located at the lower abdomen, about 4 fingers below our navel. So the symbol of Swadhisthana chakra is made up of multiple circles and a crescent moon and 6 petals lotus flower. So the circle and the crescent moon represent the cyclic nature of death and rebirth, life, death and rebirth. While the 6 petals portray the 6 negative aspects of our nature that we need to overcome to open this chakra. So its color is orange, element is water and mantra is Vam. Then we will see what is the symptoms of a blocked sacral chakra. So when a sacral chakra is blocked, a person may feel emotionally explosive or irritative and sense of lack of energy and creativity, feel manipulative or obsessed with sexual thoughts. So then we will see the signs of balanced sacral chakra. So when a sacral chakra is balanced, it makes one feel more vibrant, happy, positive, satisfied, etc. Then the rest of the chakras are carried out by Reena.
Hello everyone. Now the heart chakra is Manipura chakra and solar plexus chakra. Mani means jewel and Pura means place. It is located between navel and bottom of our rib cage. And the color of the chakra is yellow, element is fire, and the mantra is Ram. This chakra, symptoms of this chakra is diabetes problem, liver problem, etc. And by balancing of this chakra, we feel more energetic, confident, focused, and productive. Now we will see Anahata chakra means heart chakra. In this chakra, two triangles intersect to form a yantra which represent the balance of yin and yang. This chakra have 12 petals of lotus, and this color is green, and element is air, and mantra is yam, and it is located in our heart region. When the heart chakra is blocked, then person can feel emotional issues like anger, lack of trust, anxiety, jealousy, fear, moodiness, etc. By harmonizing this energy center, a person begins to feel more compassionate, caring, optimistic, friendly, and motivated. The next chakra is thought chakra, which is called Brishuna chakra. Brisha means impurity, poison, and Sudhi means purify. This chakra consists 16 petals of lotus, and the color of this chakra is blue, and element is space, and mantra is hum. And the location of this chakra is base of our throat. And when this chakra is blocked, then person can feel quietness, feeling weakness, or inability to express our thoughts. Then the other chakra is Ajna chakra, which is called third eye chakra. Ajna means to perceive and to control. And this chakra symbol is the symbol consists of an inverted triangle resting in a circle between two lotus petals, and this color is indigo, and element is Nan, and mantra is Om, and it is located between our eyebrows. When the person can feel imbalance, then they feel like egotistical problem, blurry version, eye strain, headache, etc. And the sign of balance of third eye chakra is when the chakra is active and balanced, a person feel more vibrant and confident, both spiritual and emotional. And in absence of this fear, that one comes his own master and remain free of all the attachment to material things. Then next chakra is Sahasra chakra, where Saha means thousand and Sahasra means infinity. Symbol of this chakra is the crown chakra. Symbol is thousand of lotus petal surrounding an inverted triangle. And the color of this chakra is violet white, and element is Nan, and mantra is Om, and this chakra is located at the crown of our head. And symptoms of this block of crown chakra is frustration, destructive feelings, etc. There is a sign of this balance chakra. Balance chakra promotes spiritual understanding, inner peace, clear perspective on the world, etc. And now we will see how can chakras relate with human body. A chakra is a chakra, that means wheel of energy, is stuck. Movement can help release the prana, which means energy. Yoga posture are great way to release stale or stuck energy from the body because they invite fresh vital energy back in the thought poses and the breath. And the practice of yoga ultimately leads us to a state of union, which is possible when we create a stale in our body where energy can flow freely. Now we will see some healing benefits of the chakras. Physical health and well-being, spiritual fitness, removing bad energy, to know our inner self, transforming our weakness, give access and financial wisdom, give us intuition to express the release emotion and healthy manner. And the next verse.
So now we will see what is the signs of the opening chakra. So the root chakra. So when you open this chakra, you will feel balanced, sensible, stable, and secure. And when the sacral chakra is open, we will feel freely and go with the flow. So you will be open to connection, passion, and human might even feel more outgoing. The navel chakra. When it is open, you will feel an abundance of warmth, control, and empowerment. Then the heart chakra. This chakra is all about love and caring and attachments. So when this is open, you will seem compassionate and friendly, always working in amicable relationships. Then is the throat chakra. The chakra plays into self-expression and communication. When the chakra is open, expressing yourself is easy and you might find yourself pursuing art and other forms of cultural activities or creative expressions. Then the eye chakra. As its name implies, the chakra deals with insight. So opening your third eye is thought to provide a deep window into your spiritual life. You can tell it's open if you have excellent clairvoyance and tend to dream a lot. Then we see the crown chakra. So this is the seventh and the most spiritual chakra. So it's linked to the wisdom and experience of being one with the universe. When this chakra is open, you will find it easier to be open-minded and become more aware of the world and its connection to yourself. So these are some of the yoga poses which helps us to open up our chakras, and these are our references. Thank you.
Now we are going to present the meditation about 7 chakras.
So we request you to sit and participate in the meditation.
এইটো বেলেগ ভিডিঅ' কৰোঁ নেকি?